What'd you find, baby? Show it to me.
I found two. Okay, so this one needs treatment to get rid of the color, but isn't it amazing?
Wow.
And then look at this. Ooh, it pooed on me. Look at that. It needs treatment too to get rid of the color. But I have found so many good shells today. I found a cowrie earlier. I found a couple good hermit crab shells, but apparently they were occupied, so I had to put them back. I'm having a good shell day. I went with the tried and true pastor tacos. I tried all the sauces that didn't have dairy. I guess I should turn the labels. There we go. Can't have this one.
This one is yogurt, has milk in it, but this is just avocado. This one's chili de audible, and this is habanero. I'm actually not sure which one that one is, but it's like lowest spice to the hottest.
And Tim is waiting for his cheese pastor. What is it?
I don't know. It's coming.
It's coming. We'll show you.
Let's see you take a bite.
But I'm still dusting. I'm going to try and not get this all over my white shorts.
I like the reaction.
You know, they say everything is cheaper in Mexico, but what isn't cheaper is my shell bill, because I keep spilling everything on it.
So this here is a tortilla, obviously, and this is fried cheese. And then on the inside, you can get any protein you want, like I got pastor. So the question is it good? It's too hot right now. I'll be right back. While we were away, I loaded it up. Now it looks authentic, like a Mexican taco. Let's cut into it. There we go, full of pastor. Let's see how this tastes.
Is it good?
All right, as you can see, I ate the whole thing. It is really good. It's very cheesy. It's filled with cheese, and I got it with pastor. And then it's fried. It's a fried tortilla of cheese with a flour tortilla, and then of course you load it up with all your toppings, traditional style in Mexico. It's amazing. Here it is, just delicious. We're at Chachalacos?
I don't think you're saying that right.
Los Chachalacos. I think so. It's on Quinta Avenue, 5th Avenue in Playa del Carmen. Definitely recommend it.
So I found this place near our house. It is marked as fruit stand. I will link it on the maps. But they have a really great selection and it's close to us. So it's a good place to come and get fruits, vegetables, and eggs.
Well, we're at another fruit market that we'll show you. It's on 2nd Street and 25th Avenue. It's basically central, and here it is.
So these are the locally grown avocados, and I've been curious to try them. We've been getting the Haas avocados, but I think we will try these ones this time.
Well, we just got back from the market. A dozen eggs, one of these massive avocados we haven't tried yet. Seedless watermelon and bananas for $10.50 Canadian, which is about $7.50 US. $7.50 US. Well, thanks for watching our video today. We took you to the beach as you saw, and it was beautiful. The weather is consistently beautiful. We are so fortunate and blessed to be here to call this our new home. The water is getting clearer and clearer every day, which I hope continues to improve. We were able to, for the first time, swim in Playa Mamitas, which we haven't shown yet. That's coming up in another video.
Yes, as well as a 3 statewide power outage that happened here a couple days ago in Playa del Carmen.
Yes, so stay tuned for that video where we show the power outage and us having to find a restaurant to eat at because we couldn't cook because everything's electric in our condo.
We really appreciate you watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please continue to like, comment, subscribe. It really means a lot to us and it helps a lot.
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you.